Kaleidos is a makeup brand that I have been trying to get my hands on for months. The first thing that I ordered from them a few months ago, I believe, was stolen. Like, they said it was delivered and it wasn't, and I was really disappointed. They said there wasn't anything they could do about it, and I was just like, fine. And for some reason, I didn't really take it as badly as I could have. And so recently I decided to make another purchase from Kaleidos. I got a eyeshadow palette and some highlighter from them, and it arrived just today, or maybe it arrived yesterday, I don't know. I just picked it up this evening. So I decided I would come on here and see what this looks like and just, you know, do some first impression swatching and an eyeshadow look in front of you guys. It came in this really cool, like, tubular bubble wrap package that I just think is so cool. This is definitely staying, like, I'm keeping this. And so this is the box right here. This is what it says in the front, Kaleidos. And I don't have all the details on exactly what the brand Kaleidos is about. You can go on their website and find out how they were created. I know that one of the creators is a YouTuber, I believe, and she's Chinese, and she collaborated with an American friend of hers to come up with this brand. But what I really like about it is the bright, bold colors and the sort of like futuristic theme of a lot of the shades and the names. It's a small makeup brand that I've had my eye on for a bit, and I'm excited to see what this looks like now that I've finally received my purchase. This is what the box looks like inside. It says Kaleidos makeup on the bright side. So the first thing that I picked up is a highlighter from Kaleidos, and this is what it looks like. The name of it is, this is Ray Writer. Space Age highlighter is how it's described. So this is how it looks just before I pull it out. This is nice. Oh, I love this. So this, it's like a matte finish, but it feels a little like it's a coated matte on a metal box. It's really nice. And this is what it looks like inside. That is really pretty. This is checking all my packaging junkie boxes right here. It even has the design on the front here, sort of printed on the outside of the pan. That's really nice. So this is a swatch of it. It's pretty decent. So this is the eyeshadow. I got Futurism II Cyber Bronze. Ooh. Of course it's upside down. That's hot. It feels so elemental and like planetary, like you're on a different surface, basically, just looking at this design. Also, this has a matte finish as well. Very, very nice to touch. Okay, so let's open it up. And these are the shades. It's called Futurism II Cyber Bronze. So these are the shades, definitely in the bronze family. So on first look, I want to say that quantum, infrared, and plasma, I feel like I have these shades in other eyeshadow palettes that I own, but I am looking forward to seeing what Droid and Y2K and Carbon will look like. So let's get started with this eye look. So I'm gonna take this shade Plasma and put that in my upper crease, my brow bone, and my crease, basically. Did that come out? Did I see anything? Let's try it again. Okay, that's definitely there. Okay. I like the way that it's applying so far. Looks like this was the perfect choice for a transition shade because it's certainly not standing out very much on my complexion. So the next shade I'm gonna take is infrared. I'm gonna take that and come down a little further and just kind of concentrate that in my crease and the outer third of my lid. It's very soft, like it blends out very softly. I wasn't sure what I was expecting, but I love the way that it softly blends out on my eyelid. It's nice. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this dark shade Quantum, just a little bit, and just press it in here and bring that to the outer third of my lid as well. I'm using a flat brush for this. This is my Refer 2 brush. So now I'm gonna take the shade Carbon, it's just shade right here, and start to put that on the middle of my lid. Sorry, I said that this is Carbon, this is actually Quantum. And I'm gonna take the shade next to that, which is Infrared. I'm gonna take Infrared and I'm gonna place that next to Quantum, right in here. Okay, so now I'm gonna take Droid, the silver shimmery shade right here. See what that looks like on the inner corner of my eye. I'm gonna go back into the dark color Carbon with a thinner brush and run that underneath my lower lid right here. I'm gonna take a little bit of the Y2K and press that on the outer lower lid as well. Okay, so I think I'm done with this eyeshadow look. I'm going to do the other eye off camera, come back, and then try out the Ray Ryder highlighter. This is described as having like a champagne-y kind of goldish reflect. I don't have the actual description of this right in front of me, but I do know that I like a nice champagne-y highlighter, so hopefully this does well and I'm happy about it. So I'm gonna take my fan brush for this. Ooh, ooh. Oh, that is very nice. Okay, that is beautiful. Oh, I like that. So I love how soft it is and yet how beaming it is. It's not over the top, but it is, I mean, like, imagine if I build this up more. Like, I mean, let's build it up. Let's build it up. Let's just build it up. Because I feel like this is just really nice if you want to go for the subtle, like, inner beam highlight. But I'm going to build it up a little bit more and see what happens. Yeah, that is really lovely. It is just really soft, softly milled, looks wet almost. Love it. I have a little bit more texture on this side, so it's not as soft as over on this side, but I'm getting over my texture, my self-texture shame. I think this is really nice. I think it's really, really beautiful. Yay. All right, so, well, I'm gonna put on my lip color of choice now and come back with my final thoughts about this Kaleidos eyeshadow in Cyberism, what is it? Futurism Cyber Bronze, and this highlighter in Ray Writer. Okay, so I am back with my lip color and my full face completely done. I really like this. I'm not going to say that I don't already have eyeshadows like these two right here, or basically these three, but these three over here, Carbon Y2K Droid, and actually I really like this as a transition color. Plasma was perfect. Actually, these mattes are all formulated really nicely. Like they blend out really soft. There isn't a whole lot of fallout. They work really well even if they are not like incredibly unique shades. Like I said, I found this one exceptionally good for the transition. The Droid silver shimmery color. What? Oh my God, that is so pretty. Wow. And the other two, Y2K and Carbon, I thought those were pretty as well. I think that I am really feeling the cyber bronze theme of this palette. Like it's called cyber bronze. That is exactly what it is. I feel like this is a really fantastic eyeshadow palette for if you want to create a cool futuristic fall eyeshadow look. I think that this is very suitable for that. And I cannot say enough about this Ray Writer highlighter. It's not chunky, it's not glittery, it's not sparkly, it is soft. It is literally just like a beam of light coming from within your cheekbones. I'm gonna put some of this on my brow bone. So I'm gonna take a little bit, see what it looks like up here. Ooh. That's nice. I did not expect to like these so much. I didn't really know what to expect. I've just been excited about trying Kaleidos for a long time, and I'm just really happy to finally have received a package from them that I purchased. Because like I said, the first one I ordered was stolen. These showed up in about less than a week, I would say. So, and I didn't even know when to expect them, to be quite honest. So I'm glad that they did show up quickly, and I really like both of them, and I would absolutely recommend it. I don't know if they're still having a sale, but I would recommend them even, you know, if they're not on sale. I just think that Kaleidos is a really unique brand with really pretty, edgy, futuristic packaging. I will definitely be using these. So I think that this is a really great palette for someone who likes warm shades, but also wants a unique futuristic kick to it. And this highlighter is good for anybody because it's amazing. It's just, look at this. That's so pretty. This was exactly the highlighter for me. I love it. I love it. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. That's it for me. I loved both of these items from Kaleidos. They're both really beautiful. Recommend them. So let me know what you thought about Kaleidos. Let me know if this is the first time that you've ever heard of the brand Kaleidos. And let me know what you thought of this eyeshadow look and this highlighter in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one soon. Bye.